guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my spaghetti lentil bolognese so that you can still have your favorite comfort foods but plant-based. This recipe came about because the other night I didn't think I had anything to eat, so I just pulled a bunch of ingredients out of my fridge and my cupboard, and this recipe was born. There's only like 5 or 6 ingredients, super easy, so let's get started. So you have some options for this recipe. For your lentils, you have 2 options. You can obviously buy the canned or just the regular ones. And so the difference is the canned is gonna be more expensive but faster because you don't have to cook them. These are gonna be less expensive but kind of annoying because you have to cook them and they take like 40 minutes. So totally up to you, but today we're just gonna use the canned version. And so if you are gonna cook them from scratch though, you need to start the lentils first because that's obviously gonna take the longest.
Doesn't matter what kind of lentils they use, I use whatever they want.
You can use whatever color lentil you would like.
That's right, there are many kinds.
There's lots of different colors. They're pretty.
They're very pretty. You can actually get a mix if you want.
You could.
So if you haven't got lentils, then what are we doing? So if lentils are in the can, where do we start?
Then you don't start with the lentils.
Oh, okay.
But you do need to start with your starch. I'm gonna do spaghetti today, but you can do rice, you can do cauliflower rice, you can do whatever you'd like. But if you are gonna do rice or pasta, you want to get that started. So I'm gonna put up a pot of boiling water and start the pasta.
Wow.
I kind of like meal prepped this episode. The water's already in the pot.
Alright, step ahead, step ahead.
Whoa, that is not.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
Okay, not that much
god.
salt. Wait.
No, where'd you go? Wait, stop moving. Stop moving, guys. Look what you did. Look at this.
You don't want that much salt.
This is how much salt you need, guys.
No.
Half cup of salt. Half cup of salt in the pot.
Wow, I'm so glad I used my hand and didn't pour that in. Whatever. Okay.
Oh, there we go. In the pot we go. Steffi always gets mad at me because I don't salt my pot.
Oh, he doesn't salt his pasta. This is
Well,
weird.
I'm not Italian.
I know, but that's just weird. Anyway, put your pot on and come back over here. So your main ingredients are simple. They're just some garlic, an onion, some carrots and celery, and your lentils and some red sauce. That's literally all you're gonna need. So
Look, even pre-washed celery and carrots. We're ahead of the game today.
oh yeah, that's pre-washed. I made Adam do it before. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna dice up some garlic and onions first, and that's it. I'm gonna use a whole onion. We're gonna see how much this makes today. We're just gonna this is just kind of like a throw together recipe. If you're not calculating your macros every day, then just make a whole lot of it. It doesn't matter. But if you are calculating your macros, we'll leave the stuff in the description box below. You know the drill. Okay. So, to make this episode even faster, I'm gonna make Adam come and cut the veggie.
Yeah, my favorite. Okay, switch.
So, go. Hello.
My favorite. So.
I already got you a scrapple.
Oh, Bobby, you got scrapple. It's so nice.
I know.
It's so nice.
Look, I prepped this episode.
I know, it's so great. Here we go. How much garlic? Like half a clove, half a big thingy?
You can add however much you want, but I think I used like half a whole head the other day.
Steffi loves the garlic.
I like my garlic.
Garlic's done. Onion.
So normally we would say to just start sauteing the garlic and onions, but because you have to chop up the carrots and celery really fine, it's gonna take you a little bit longer, so you don't wanna burn the onions and garlic, so we would recommend just cutting everything all at once.
Onions and garlic can go to the side on a plate. And then I'm gonna cut up these small. How small do you want them?
Super small.
Like brunoise?
Sure, what does that mean?
Like a julienne, like a square julienne, like 3 by 3 by 3.
Sure. People probably can't hear that the phone is ringing, but the phone is ringing. That wasn't a random dance.
You want smaller than that again? Like this small?
The point is you don't want chunks of celery. Just like should all mesh together, all the flavors.
Oh, it is. Nice and small.
Okay, that's pretty small.
Brunoise. Steffi.
What?
Did you not pour that thing down for me?
Nope.
Steffi, that's not nice.
Dude, I got you a scrapple. I put the water in the pot. I was like efficient today, except I definitely forgot the stupid paper towel under the cutting board trick. For those of you who don't have an Adam, I'm sorry. I should rent you out.
Rent me out? I'll do that. I'll do home visits.
Adam will come to your house and cut all your veggies for your week. How's that?
Thumbs up if you want me to come to home visits. So we can go on to another plate. And my last carrot is done. Okay, switch.
So you're gonna heat up a pan with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And once that's hot, we're gonna add in our onions and garlic. Toss it around and saute for a few minutes. Add in the carrots and celery and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Add in 1 cup of water and boil out the water. You're trying to make the carrots and celery soft. If after the 1 cup of water has boiled out, add in another cup or however much water you need to make the carrots and celery soft. The water is boiling, so we're gonna add in our pasta.
Oh wow, that is very fancy.
Thank you. He just chucks it in there and I'm like, dude, you gotta do like the twist.
I'm on Italian. Just twist it. Just don't tuck it in.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'm gonna get that in the pot in a second, but while you're waiting for the water to boil out of the vegetables, you're gonna drain your lentils if you're using canned lentils. Let's try a carrot. Try one of the bigger pieces. It's almost soft. I'm just gonna add just a splash more water. You just want them soft because when you eat meat bolognese, obviously there's nothing crunchy in it. So we're just trying to make it feel like you can have the same kind of comfort food and still be plant-based. Stir your rice, stir your pasta, whatever you're doing here. Make your cauliflower rice if you want to do that.
I like it with rice.
We've made it with rice. It's good with rice too. But we're trying to make the spaghetti bolognese. And actually that's not even real because in Italy they use like the big long flat pastas for bolognese sauce. So
you know what we call
whatever.
You know what we call spaghetti bolognese in Australia?
I know.
Spag bog. Or spag bowl. Let me know below if you say spag bog or spag bowl. Australia, mate.
Now that all the water is cooked out, the veggies are soft. So I'm going to add in the lentils.
Lentils. That's beautiful.
Turn down the flame a little bit. That's beautiful. We're gonna add in 2 cups of sauce. Well, I think it's gonna be 3. But now we're gonna add in 2 cups. Stir it all around. Okay, lad, we're gonna add 3 cups of sauce. I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of cumin and a tablespoon of oregano, salt and pepper.
Beautiful.
The cumin and oregano is optional, but I added it in there and I thought it was really good.
Could use just mixed Italian herbs as well.
2 Italian spices, whatever you want. Now I like this to be saucy, so I'm actually gonna keep adding sauce until I think it's saucy enough, but we will add in the description box below, we will add it with 3 cups of marinara and you can decide however much sauce you wanna actually use.
Okay.
I like it saucy.
You want to test on the pasta?
Yeah.
You can throw it against the wall, make it see if it sticks.
No.
That's how you do it.
This is almost done. All we're gonna do is put a lid on, let it simmer for, I don't know, 10 minutes or whatever, let all the flavors mix in, and then this is done. Ready to go.
Beautiful.
Just tested the pasta, it's al dente, and I'm gonna leave it like that. If you're gonna meal prep this, you definitely don't wanna make the pasta like mushy, because then when you reheat it, it's gonna be even mushier. So leave it al dente, turn it off, and drain it. Okay, let's check on this, baby. Oh yeah, look at that.
Beautiful.
How good does that look? Smells amazing too. Give it a little taste test.
Molto bene.
So good. So basically everything is done. Now these are optional, but if you want, you can add some of Steph's special cashew parmesan cheese.
Cashew cheese.
Which actually, I don't think we've actually told anybody the recipe for this, but
No,
really easy.
secret.
But anyway, I'm just gonna put some on.
There we go. Over there? Okay.
Obviously when I actually eat this, so I'm gonna put a lot more on.
All
This is just
the,
for that Instagram beauty.
all the cashew cheese.
Okay, and a little bit of basil if you have some.
Basil.
Basil. Basil is the guy in Austin Powers.
Basil, mate.
Let's be serious.
So pretty.
I know.
One of your prettiest preps.
I know, thank you. All right, guys.
Look at that, guys. Wow.
Really easy to do, and you can make a ton of it. And I've just realized, like literally 5 seconds ago, that my new favorite thing to do is make Italian food plant-based. This is like my new passion. And so here you go.
There you go.
Lentil bolognese. And actually the funny thing is, I never really liked lentils, but I love this. Weird, right? Anyway, so there you go. If you make this, don't forget to send us a picture and hashtag #StephanAdam. And what else?
Thanks to our patrons.
Thank you to all of our patrons. You guys are awesome, helping us make our videos and get some people on our team to help us. And what else?
Click last week's video here.
Click last week's video here. Or here.
Click another video here.
And other videos are here.
And make sure you subscribe.
And subscribe over here. And
leave a comment below. How your day's going?
leave a comment below. Let us know how you're doing.
Okay.
And that's about it. Okay. See you guys later.
Namaste.